Welcome to how to use and configure apps for SnapIt. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to configure different ways of opening applications and starting apps using hotkey and quick action panel. First, click the Apps button from the navigation or home screen. In Apps, it shows you available screens and related application groups. Select the screen you want to open apps and click Add button under the application group. Type a group name and assign a hotkey to that group. I'm going to add apps to areas 1, 6, 7, and 8. You can show area boundaries by clicking the highlight button for that area. Let's add a new app to area 1. There are several options how to open apps. First, I'm going to choose it from Applications list. This time I'm going to add Microsoft Word with a document to area 6. To achieve this, we need to know the full path to Microsoft Word executable. There are several ways. The one I'm showing is selecting a shortcut from the Start menu folder. After selecting the shortcut, we need full path information for the document that we want to open with Microsoft Word. Press Shift key and press right-click. In the context menu, select Copy as Path. Paste this information to arguments on Add New Application dialog. Some applications may take time to open depending on your PC configuration. Giving some delay helps SnapIt open apps to the correct area. Now I'll add some apps to areas 7 and 8 doing the same. Now we are ready to open apps. There are two ways of doing it. Press the hotkey that is assigned for that application group, or you can click the application group from Quick Action panel. Applications will start opening and snap to areas that you choose. Please wait until they are finished opening. Congratulations, you are completed the tutorial.